Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to save your precious data bundles from those sneaky Windows updates that eat up all your data in the background. I know the struggle when it comes to data bundles as they are very expensive, and the last thing you want is Windows consuming all those updates when you don't want it to. So I'd like to show you a simple and free way in which you can stop these background updates from happening without paying anything, right? So I have my browser here and I'm going to install the tool Simple Wall, right? So Simple Wall can be installed on your Windows 10, 11 machine. It's open source and it just takes 5 minutes or less to even download and install, right? So I'm going to click here and I'm going to download for Windows, this for Windows, and then click here and then wait for it. And then you can just right click and standard download will be fine. Once it's downloaded, just open and then you install. Okay, right. So this is the installation process. I already have this software installed, so I'll not be installing it again, but you can follow the steps to installing it. So on my local machine, I already have it installed, and this is the tool, right? So it serves as a firewall that blocks any incoming or outgoing traffic, right? So basically, what you will just start off by doing is um, just clicking on enable filter and then enable the filters. Once you enable the filters, any application on your machine would need to request permission from you before you uh, allow it access to the internet or any application, be it web browsers, any other services, right? So what eventually happens is you would be able to notice that there are some services that have a tagline of Windows that will ask for internet access. Okay, so in here, um, we have a bunch of, let's categorize them. So applications with internet access, applications without internet access, applications without internet access. Okay, this is silent. So first of all, these are all the applications that have access to internet on my local machine, right? And then these are those that I deny access to in some cases. You can see here on the first place is Google Update Internal Services, and same thing goes for this, and then some other third-party applications. Okay. So next week we'll have other um, services here, mostly these two services. Um, you, know, you usually have some of these applications, and this update uh, too is equally blocked, right? So no application on your local machine would have access to the internet until you say so. So just be careful in the sense that whenever you open an application and it doesn't have access to the internet, a pop-up will come up, and then all you just need to do is to accept, right? So um, that's all you need to do. Just accept the request or deny the request in this manner. So for instance, I've disabled access to um, an application that is called Cloud on my machine, right? So I'm going to be trying to open Claude. So you can see that I get this pop-up, and it's asking me to provide permissions to the application, right? So all you need to do is either accept or deny, or you can even give a time duration where you want this application to have access to the internet. So for this situation, I will just say allow, and then once I allow this application, I just need to close it and then open it again. So you can see that it automatically comes as part of the list here, right? So that is how you would mostly accept or deny requests. So I'll equally show you a deny situation where I have this application trying to load, and because uh, I have refused to give it access to the internet, it wouldn't open or load or show any information. So that is how you actually do all of this. And if you need it to have access again to the internet, all you just need to do is to come here and then accept the request. And that is all you need to do.